We are in downtown Lugano, getting ready for something known as the drone show. Where will the drones come from? Who knows? A mothership? Who knows? But meanwhile, look at the flipping... I'm gonna take a picture of this. Oh, I hear music. I hear music.
Stay there.
Okay, I'm here. I'm not moving. Let's see the drones. Apparently it's supposed to be world class. Okay. Looks beautiful. Okay, so I actually hear drones. I hear drones. No, I definitely hear drones. So there's a bunch of people here. Over there. Okay, and now the drone show is coming. This is gonna be. How's it going? Don't how's it going? Don't mind me. I'm just recording everything. Okay, there's an absolute infiltration of drones. This is going to be flipping amazing. Oh, don't worry. Okay. By the way, guys, the drone show hasn't started yet. This is just a straight up invasion. Okay. I'm gonna shut my big mouth now.
That's so awesome.
Oh my goodness.
That's cool.
Oh my goodness.
No idea. If you make it look like an ancient god.
Okay, something tells me they're going to break apart and then proceed to a new formation. Okay, all right, there we go. There seems to be one errant drone in the middle.
Is that us? How are they gonna know? They're gonna know. Oh, they're gonna. I just told them.
It's gonna be the guy pointing. There you go.
Oh.
That's what we're talking about today. It's fine, there was nothing in it, don't worry. By the way, this is the opening scene for Squid Games 3, and we are all in it and don't know yet. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah. The reflection on the water makes this so much... Holy cow. Oh, wait, it's in his, okay, it's gone. That is so flipping cool. Is that it? We're done? And that is the end of the drone show at Lugano. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Got the tail end over there. The Bitcoin Lugano 2025 drone show. Kind of cool. Like awesomely cool. Okay, I don't know what's going on over there, but... All right, well, just keep recording for just in case something happens, like the drones go crazy and decide to take us all out. But there we go. This is the crowd that was here. Very nice. Lots of people. All right, that's it. Booyah. And they have already disappeared. All right, well, that's it. Amazing.